Good morning, ladies. Hope you're all feeling gorgeous and sexy today, just like me, Mr. Wonderful. Right. So, what are we doing today? I'm going to do a 20p today. My bloody left ear. I've gone definite again. What? Eh? What'd you say? Right. 20 pence. And today, for Dwayne, deep in the heart of Texas, 716 fella. Hope everybody's feeling great today. It's quite a nice day here today. We're going to go for a nice stroll with my beautiful lady after this. Right. First of all, we want to bang a hole in it. So what's your views on AI? I've been watching these videos on AI. It's quite scary, you know. It's getting out of control. I mean, did anybody watch Terminator with Arnie? I'll tell you what, it's coming. It's bloody coming. I mean, they're doing things now that they shouldn't be doing already, you know. I think it's a bad thing. And look at the people that are going to lose their jobs. Millions and millions of people are going to lose their jobs. So then, how do they get paid? Where do they get their money from? I'll tell you what, it's going to get bad. That's my view. What do you think? You think AI is a good thing? I think it's going to be a bad thing. These robots now, you know, they'll see us as a threat. I mean, they already are. This is Christy Burr. It's a deburring tool. It just cleans up the edge, makes sure it's nice and clean and free from any cracks or splits or just like that. That's pretty sexy. Right, let's show it a bit of love with our friend Bernie, the fire starter. Where is my hey, where is everything? What's going on here? Oh, bloody. Right. Oh, I've got it. Okay. Panic over. Right in front of me as usual, like everything else. I mean, these sci-fi movies they brought out, you know, 10, 20 years ago, it's coming true. It's all going to end in tears, you know that? Well, that's what I think. What do you think? Let's hear your thoughts. Are we all doomed? I think we are. Right. But I don't really care, because by the time it gets out of control, well, I'll tell you what, I think it's going to get out of control while I'm still here, so. What side are we going to do? It's going to have to be this side, isn't it? So this is going to be sunny side up on the ring, so this is going to go face down in our little doming block. You want to get it nice and sort of level-ish. Just Lucille. We'll nip over to Big Red. You won't recognise this table tomorrow. I'm going to clean it up. I think you'll be very impressed. I know you want one of these. This is a 17-degree folding die. And that does fit in there quite well. Let's give it a wipe out. What about this one? No, it's going to have to be this one. But I don't think I want to go too far because it might go all the way through. I hope not. Right. Let's give it a bit of a squeeze me. You know how to please me. Whoa! Who sang that? Yep, that's good. Okie dokie. I'm just going to clean up that edge, make sure it's pretty good, with no cracks or stuff. I need a bit more sandpaper, don't I? I've got loads in my... We live in an apartment, okay, so it's just one level. But we have different cupboards. We have one that we called it the under the stairs cupboard. God knows why, but we do. As you come in our apartment, just on the right hand side is a door. Just like a little storage area, you know. Just like you'd get under the stairs. So, that's where we keep all the good stuff, like the toilet rolls and the kitchen rolls and all the junk. Right, I'm going to warm this up again, and then we'll go over to Spike. So I'll be back in a tick. Stop it, start again. Yeah, that's why it's only filming off, because it goes a bit sad. Right, I've annealed it again. It's going to be a small ring. If anyone's looking for a handmade ring by me, give us a shout. I'll happily make you one. Yeah, it's going to be a small ring because it's a small coin. And there's limits to how far you can push your luck. And I do like pushing my luck. Now you can see there's no bow in that now at all. It's more cone shaped. And it ain't looking too shabby. I'll give it a couple more, shall we? Yeah, that's why I stopped the filming, because sometimes it goes a bit tits up. Right, don't push your luck, boy. There you go. So now, see, there's no bow in that at all, it's just cone shaped. So, we'll take out Big Daddy, and we'll whack in. Just trying to see which is which here. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I just have to do a major clean-up on this stuff. Right. I'll go down to the bottom end of Spike, and these are reduction dice. I nearly forgot to take you there. You're just looking to straighten up them walls. Make sure it's nice and square. It wants to go a bit more. I ordered my girlfriend because she lost one of her earrings. It was like a skull, you know. Just little dainty silver, small dainty silver earrings with skulls. And the ones in England were, you know, a bit too big, or the quality was shit. But I found this place in the States and they were really nice, you know, and they're good, fair price. And the shipping was pretty good, like $9, which is great. I mean, I only charged $10 to send a ring to, you know, the States or Canada. But anyway, that's besides the point. So I ordered these like, what? Like 10 weeks ago. Of course, you know, you follow the tracking and it's somewhere, then it's somewhere else. I'm thinking, bloody hell, where the hell is it? So I checked again a couple of weeks ago and it's in Helsinki. This is 2 weeks ago. And I just got today a thing from the customs. I mean, I tell you what, the postage here is unbelievable. It's crap. We get, I think it's 2 or 3 posts a week. This is Kate Bush. I'm just going to clean up this. It's bloody crazy. And then I also got a comment from this, I don't know if it was a guy or a girl. I think it was a girl. I don't know. She said, her and I don't know if it was a good friend or someone in the family. They made a ring together, a coin ring, years and years ago. And it's the wrong size. They'd like it if I could adjust the size for them. And I said, yeah. How much would it cost? I said, you know, I don't know, maybe 10 euros. And I also said, where are you from? I haven't heard back from her yet. Because if it's in America, I can't send it to you. You could probably send me the coin, but I would not be able to send it back to you. So I'm waiting to hear back, and then if she is in the States, I don't know if you'd be interested, Beer, if I was to give her your email, and then she could send the ring to you and you could resize it for her, you know? I don't know if you'd be interested, mate, but if she gets back to me and she's in the States, would it be okay? Would you be interested? I mean, I said 10 euros. I don't know, it's about $10, $11, I don't know. You can charge what you want, but it's not a big deal. It's easy to do, isn't it? You should know, man. You play the same game as I do. But let me know, Ben, and if you're interested, or if she does live in the States, I'll pass her on to you and you can do it. You know, it's nice to help people. It's called sharing the love, you know. Ho, 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 look at this. The lid is still on, and it's still on square. It's hip to be square. Right. I said I was never going to do that again, didn't I? I lied. Right. Let's put the lid on again. And I'm getting some nice comments from people now, so I'd like to thank you. I mean, some of you have been with me for a long, long time, you know, and I really appreciate you, you know, dropping a comment, because it does help my channel. I know it takes, you know, a couple of minutes to write a comment, but thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. And hitting the like button, and, you know, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Although, what is it, 85%, 90, 85, 90, 80, I think it's 85 or 88% of the people that watch my videos are subscribed. Do us a favour, hit the button, come on. Cost you nothing. Well, I'll happily make you a ring. You get the video? I mean, this isn't for anybody in particular. See, this is a bit too big again. I nearly lost it. I could use a bit of Quad Zero still water, clean up that inside. This doesn't scratch either, it's Quad Zero, so it just cleans off the fire scale and makes it look beautiful. Right, let's see what we got. Let's clean off the mingers first. Well, I don't know what I'm going to have for dinner today. I got up late today. I got up at 11 o'clock. Which is, usually I'm an early bird, but this last few, because my girlfriend's on holiday. So we don't really go to bed too late. Of course, you go to bed late, you get up late, don't you? You know what I mean? Right, how's that looking? There you go, you still got the 20. I've done a different 20p today. Yeah, it's not too bad, is it? Got the crown there. You got a bit of Elizabeth. Rule Britannia. Right, what size we got today? And you always measure from the reeded side. This is milled, but it's the same thing. It's the thickest part of the coin, as you can see. Now this is a size 6 3/4. I could probably get it to a 7 1/4, maybe 7 1/2. I don't know. Of course, I make them smaller, but there you go. So, folks, I just got a text message. I don't know who it's from. Right. It fits this finger perfectly. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Thanks for your support. Thanks for the comments. I really do appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Bloody hit it. Come on. And like it. I hope you all have a great week. A safe week. Try and make someone smile in your life. And the rest of you can have this. This is going to take 2 clicks, I think. Have it.